Today I made $907 in just 8 minutes, and the best part is that this was off of a relatively small position size. You don't need $100,000 to make this type of profit in the market. You just need to be trading the right stocks and trading the right strategies. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how I found this stock in the first place, my entry, my exit, and the overall strategy that I used. Very quickly before we get into this trade, as some of you may know, we've had enrollment to the Market Master group closed over the past few weeks. We do this to keep it a very tight-knit community so that everyone gets the support that they need. But we just opened up 25 new spots that's going to give you access to our day trade and swing trade alerts, our detailed trade plans, our live custom scanner streams, and even access to our day trade bootcamp. So if you're interested in joining us, make sure to click that link down below in the description and get signed up before those 25 spots are filled and enrollment closes once again. With that out of the way, let's get into this trade. This trade came from the stock SPRC. As we can see, SPRC did have a pretty bullish move here at the market open and in the pre-market session as well, which is of course how we were able to capitalize on this play. So that leads to the question, how did this stock get put onto my radar in the first place? And simply put, the answer to that is with our scanners. We live stream these scanners to our team of traders starting at 8 o'clock in the morning every single day, an hour and a half before the market opens. And what we can see with these scanners is stocks that are gapping up and having a lot of strength in the pre-market session. One of those stocks today was, of course, SPRC. We can see that at the time of about 9 o'clock this morning, 30 minutes before the open, it was trading up about 35% from its previous day's closing price. What you'll also notice is that this stock, of course, was trading pretty strong volume, which tends to be the case with any stock having a significant gap up. And the other thing that you may notice is that the float here for this stock, the float being the total number of shares that are available to trade to retail investors like you and I, and this is at just about 500,000. So that is a very low supply if you think about it for this stock. And when you have a high amount of demand, high volume, and a low supply, often what happens is we end up getting a big spike up in the stock. Now that's not guaranteed, but that low float is going to lead to a lot of volatility and ultimately a bigger profit potential when the stock does happen to have a breakout. So as usual, like we do every day, we have a list of those stocks that are gapping up, and then we make a following list here in the opening range breakout alert channel that is going to tell us the opening range breakout levels for these stocks that have the best potential for a gap and go. And we can see that SPRC had that opening range breakout level of $6.15. Very shortly after that opening range breakout level was formed, our opening range breakout bot then notified us that the stock was moving above that level. Okay, so how do we find this level? That $6.15 level was not just a random number. It's not necessarily a resistance level. It's not a key level on the chart. It is simply going to be the high of the first 5 minutes of price action. That is how that opening range is formed, and from there you would look for the opening range breakout as the stock moves above that level. Now, if we look at this 5-minute time frame, we can see, of course, the high of that first 5-minute candle once the market opened is $6.15. So we'll draw that here to represent our opening range breakout level. We're also going to draw the low down here, which is about $5.41. That is going to be kind of where we're risking off of for this trade ideally. When you're buying into that opening range breakout, in order to give yourself the best chances of a profitable trade, the goal is to ideally risk off of the low of that opening range. And from there, you can kind of determine what your maximum position size can be. And obviously, as the trade progresses and as the stock moves in your favor, you can kind of adjust that stop loss and that risk level a little bit to tighten up your risk. But ultimately, this is the trade that we ended up taking. We can see that very shortly after that opening range breakout level was formed, we had the stock push right through that level. Now, I bought into this relatively quickly once that opening range breakout happened. I believe my average cost on this trade was about $6.38. And within a few minutes, this actually spiked up into a volatility halt at about $6.51, I believe. Right up into this candle here, there was a volatility halt, trading paused for 5 minutes. And in that time frame, you're of course not able to buy or sell any shares. So I was holding onto my position there. And once trading resumed, we get a very small dip and it ends up spiking back up to new highs and through that $7 area. I started scaling out into that level and locked in $907 in profits by doing so. Now, that is one way to attack this, and that's obviously how I took this trade, but One of the ways that I prefer actually to trade opening range breakouts that a lot of people don't talk about is to actually allow them to pull back and then to look for that breakout level to start turning into a level of support. That's exactly what did end up happening here with SPRC. We can see we have that initial opening range breakout. It pulls back, turns that breakout level, which also kind of lines up perfectly with the VWAP at that time, into a level of support, and from there curls up, spikes through those morning highs, and runs even higher. So if you're missing out on these initial opening range breakouts, keep them on your radar and look for them to pull back, form some support around that breakout level, and then look for a possible re-entry because they can always retest those highs or even squeeze to new highs. Okay, but ultimately that was my plan of attack for SPRC. That was my entry, my exit, and the strategy that I used for this trade. I hope you found some value in this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in getting these opening range breakout alerts in real time, along with access to our group chat, our day trade bootcamp, and our daily live scanner streams, all of that can be found in the Market Master group. And again, we just opened up 25 new spots, so come on and join us. Use the link down below in the description. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your trading.